Today, we, the Meghalaya School Welfare Development Association, central body, we met the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Sir Preston Tensong, to discuss for this memorandum, as we have already submitted on 14 April of this year. The main agenda that we discussed today is for the matter related with the secondary and higher secondary. As you have seen, Sir Preston highlight and brief this issue on the playground, Madam student, on the program on this month, April. So regarding this, we discuss in detail for all the 6 agenda that we have mentioned in this memorandum. Regarding this, the proposal for financial support or grant in aid to secondary and higher secondary school is one of the issue that we have demand from time to time. Since 2025, in April 4th, we have submitted the memorandum to the government, and we have already discussed the issue with Sir Rakam Esangma, Honorable Education Minister, for this issue. And Sir Rakam Esangma also, he said that this is the matter of his concern. Then he advised us to move to the Chief Minister. Then after that, we already written to the Chief Minister and addressed this issue related with the secondary and higher secondary. Then we have got this letter from Chief Minister that he sent to the Commissioner and Secretary to examine and to report in detail for this purpose. So this is the letter came from Chief Minister on 24 April 2025. So when we discussed with Commissioner, he said that now we have to focus for this lower primary and upper primary, as the government is committed to fulfill the aspiration, the need and aspiration of this issue. So after that, I would like to inform you that during this meeting today, we have decided the Honorable Chief Minister, Sir President Song, instruct the Commissioner Secretary to call the meeting with the association for 4 or 5 times as required, and to frame more in detail and to submit to the cabinet for approval.